my collection. Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, what do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star Wars.
Well, they do climb in the reader.
Yes, because you line up into the trap.
I thought the tour said it's fine. What name do they call me? Drax the Destroyer. Ah! That's correct. Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry, Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos!
You're not supposed to tap flash.
Hey, would you two keep it down over there? I know. That's so inconsiderate.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a floor philosopher.
Don't listen to him. You are.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Diamond-headed, genetic,
It's Roman.
Who wants to tie my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the Romans part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me, except me. That is precisely what he is. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold him. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator, which powers the entire complex and will keep them in perpetual suspension.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tanny Javon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Hey, Rocket, look over there.
Oh,
You see the Walkman in the window?
I'm gonna take this.
Thanks.
Now move it.
Get on out of here, Karen. Oh, yeah, it looks like
My dear friends, this is the moment I've been waiting for.
And Rocket, unplug you and start things right. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, I got one.
do you think you know? You barely touched it. It did nothing. We did all the fighting. It did not help us at all.